Okay, we're gonna have to take this off the carb and we'll have to clean it. So let's start with the air filter housing. Okay. Socket for that. Up and then okay. Make sure the fuel is closed, and then we'll take the carb off and then the linkages. Now we'll take those linkages off. Okay, linkages are off. Now we just have to disconnect the fuel line. And can you see the stuff in there? It's all black and crappy, so definitely needs a good cleaning. Alright, there's the carburetor. So we're gonna go put it on the workbench and clean it. Whoop, and clean it. Can't lose any pieces too. So alright. Well, I've been letting these soak in solvent. I'll clean them up as best as I can. I've taken as many parts out of the carburetor as possible. So gotta put her back together and see how good it works. Yeah, it's a lot better than what it was. Okay, well, I've got this somewhat mounted, and to get those linkages, the throttle and the choke, it's very, very tough. But I couldn't do it without both of my hands. But we'll see how it goes. I tightened these bolts up, the mounting bolt down there, and I'm just putting this back together, and then we'll give it some fuel and see how she goes. I'll fill up the float bowl. Okay, well, I'm not putting it all together until I know it runs, so let's give her a try. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna put it all back together, and then we're gonna go cut some grass with it. Okay, so I got the air filter housing back on. Put the air filter back in. This piece goes in there. Cover can go on. Where's that other though? Let me find that other screw. That one goes on there. Let's go. I'll tighten these up, and then we'll go take it for a ride. All right.